Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by detangling in small sections so breakage stops before it begins. Use a wide tooth comb and work from ends to roots. This protects fragile strands. Once detangled, apply a leave-in conditioner, then a lightweight oil to lock moisture. Make sure to section the hair into 4-6 parts and secure with clips. This creates manageable areas. Now you're set to style without tugging. Keep movements slow and deliberate. Your hair responds better to steady handling. You now define texture and shape by working product through damp hair. Use curl cream or gel, distributing about 1/2 to 1 tablespoon per section so hold is balanced. Then choose a pattern, finger coils for tight definition, 2-strand twists for stretch or small braids for elongated curls, and methodically style each 1-inch section. Once done, dry gently. Diffuse on low heat or let hair air dry until roughly 90% dry. This maintains pattern integrity and keeps frizz minimal. You finish by unsealing the style carefully, untwist or unravel only when fully dry to avoid frizz. Separate at the roots for volume, but stop early if you see fuzz. Less is more. Smooth edges with a lightweight gel and tie a satin scarf at night to preserve the shape. If a section looks limp, mist with water and apply a pea-size amount of product, then reshape or retwist that area. This quick fix saves time and keeps your look cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.